So, welcome back. It's been a while. This is the labradorite that I had cut in my previous video, and this is the process that you will do to facet it and polish up some edges. The machine that I'm using is an Ameritool, and it's a tabletop model. So what you need is, you need this unit. It has a water dispenser here, and then the water comes out here. So it's pretty self-contained, not very messy, and it also comes with 5 attachments. The first one is a very rough, coarse material disc that you can facet and shape your stone. Then there's 4 other discs, and they're mounted on heavy plexiglass. The 5th being a polishing wheel that you use with this diamond compound, also available through Ameritool. So let me get set up and I'll continue.